Hello and welcome. Today we'll be learning some tricks on how to manipulate shapes and image. So let us begin. So as we commence, first thing first, to change the background. Let's say we change our background to, let's say we use white background. Okay. So now let's bring in shapes. So firstly, we are using the shapes. Okay. So in doing this, I'm going to use this rectangle and let me pick a color for this rectangle so that will work faster. Okay, so you can see this. Then we'll copy this, just a manipulating trick. Copy. Let me bring in the ruler so that I can properly align everything we are doing properly. Okay, so we are good. Then after doing this, we merge them together. I've merged it together. Good. So after merging it, then we're going to bring in another shape. As you can see, the shape has been overlaid on it. After we overlay the shape, we move it to the back. We move it to the back. We'll take it down. You see, now you have these two shapes, one over the other. So what do you do to this shape? We mesh them together. Merge it together. Now it is meshed. So what you do is this: you erase this color. You go to erase color, click on erase color, then we erase. You pick the color you want to erase. Red. You pick it. You see, we have erased that red color from it. So we just position our tool. So for us to see it clearly, let me change the color of what we have here. Okay, you see, I just changed that overlay to red color so that we can see everything clearly. So now let's bring in image. So I'll be using images that were submitted from our previous assignment. So let's go and get those images. Let's pick this. Okay, let's just use this. So what we'll do is, this image you see here, we move it to the back. Take it to the back. Then we can, okay, so that we don't get this mixed up, let's lock this so that it doesn't move around. So you see, we have just positioned this. So now you see, we have just manipulated this image. So what you manipulate, you can decide to insert text. For example, let's bring in our text. We can say, for example, let's edit. Let me say, happy birthday. So I'll just use the font for it so that it will look good. Let's pick a font. Let's pick a very pretty font for it. Let's pick a pretty font so that we'll have this. Good. Okay, let me pick a color, a white color for it. Just make it look good. So you see, we have the padding. Good. So we'll have this. So we have just done manipulation, which is very simple. So let's save this image. Remember, when you're saving your image, save as ultra, then we'll save. Then we'll have that.